Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change line spacing in Google Docs. Open your Docs file. Now simply select your text, dragging your mouse and select here this line spacing option. Here you will find this 1.15 and 1.5 option. I will apply 1.5 and see this line spacing already changed. I'll apply there another line spacing. I'll apply a double space. See this double spacing already added. In this way, you can add custom spacing as you like. Also, you can space before paragraph using add paragraph space and see this paragraph spacing already added. Also, you can remove after paragraph space. Custom spacing you can add here. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.